Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about rational exponents, and this should be a review from Math 2, but let's just go over it. So this is a relationship. M over n is the same as the nth root of a to the m, and let's just try it. So if we have this, or this, they want us to write it as a single power of 2. So the first thing to notice, there's a 1 right here. And if we use this relationship, we get 2 to the 1/3. Over here, we're going to first get 1 over, there's an implied 2, implied 1, so that's 2 to the 1/2, but that's on the bottom of a fraction. So if we bring it up top, we change the exponent to being negative. And so that would be our answer. This one we don't have a 2, and so the first thing we want to do is change the 4 to 2 squared. And then it's pretty straightforward from there. It's 2 to the 2/5. Okay, and the next one, 8 to the 4/3, and 27 to the negative 2/3. The directions on here are without using a calculator, right, in simplest rational form. And what we want to do here, we want to first put it under a square root, or under a radical symbol, sorry. And so that's going to be 8 to the 4th, and it's going to be a cube root. What we're going to do is we're going to say, well, 8 to the 4th could be written as 8 times 8 times 8 times 8, like that. And then 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. Actually, I take it back. Let's do it this way. Because of this 3, we can group 3 things together and take them out. So we have an 8 on the outside. This 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. There's 3 of those, so we can take that out. Now there's nothing left over, so we're done with the radical symbol. 8 times 2 is 16, and that's our final answer. Over here, we can do something similar. First thing is we want to put it on the bottom because of this negative sign. And then that's going to be 1 over the 27 squared cube rooted. Now, I'm going to do the same thing. This is a 2, so it's 27 times 27. This is a 3, so we need 3 of something in order to take it out. We don't have that, so we're going to break this up into 3 times 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 times 3. There's 3, there's 3, we take them out. There's nothing left over, so we get rid of it. We want to also remember that this was under a 1, and if we multiply those, we end up with 1/9. If you have additional questions, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.